Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing the instant ice experiment. For this experiment we're going to need 3 water bottles, a freezer, and a cup. So the first step of the procedure is to put these 3 water bottles into the freezer for 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so the 2 hours and 45 minutes has passed and we overshot. So we ended up freezing 2 bottles solid. All right, so freezer might have been a little too cold, but we were able to salvage 1 bottle. So I'm going to attempt to create instant ice by pouring it into the cup. Trying to. All right, so I'm going to carefully remove the lid and pour it into the cup and see what happens. All right, nothing happened there. All right, so what I'm going to try is to throw some of this ice into there and see if we get instant ice. Oh wow, that actually worked. We got some instant ice. Now I'm gonna try pouring, see if we get some more. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, now the last way is by hitting this. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. So we were able to get all 3 reactions to occur, which is awesome. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey everyone, we're gonna do a quick breakdown of the experiment and the processes behind it. So when water approaches 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the water molecules begin to freeze by forming ice crystals. And in this case with the water bottle, the ice crystals build on existing crystals to eventually freeze the entire bottle. So the process of starting the ice crystals is called nucleation, and this starts typically from an impurity or scratch or piece of dust on the container holding the water. So in this case, within the water bottle, essentially 1 ice crystal attaches to the imperfection and the others grow on top of it. So here we're taking a look at an example where there isn't an impurity. So the bottle of water is lying still in the freezer and there aren't many impurities for the nucleation process to start. So the water stays in the liquid state, which is what we saw with the bottle that we were able to salvage. And it needs something to kick off that nucleation process. So when we poured it out, when we threw in an ice crystal, and when we hit the bottle, we were able to begin that nucleation process and get the water to freeze. So that's pretty much a breakdown of the processes behind this experiment, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.